Managing diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or variety in your meals. An easy and delicious option is a quinoa and vegetable stir-fry, packed with nutrients and low in glycemic index, making it an ideal choice for individuals with diabetes. This dish is not only simple to prepare, but also versatile, allowing you to customize it with your favorite vegetables and protein sources. Ingredients to make this flavorful stir-fry. Gather the following ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water or low-sodium vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 bell pepper any color, diced 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup snap peas, 1 medium carrot, sliced thinly 1 cup mushrooms, sliced 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce or tamari for gluten-free, 1 teaspoon ginger, grated optional salt, and pepper to taste, fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley for garnish optional. Instructions. Step 1. Cook the quinoa. Rinse the quinoa under cold water to remove its natural coating, called saponin, which can give it a bitter taste. In a saucepan, combine the rinsed quinoa and water or vegetable broth. Bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until all the liquid is absorbed. Remove from heat and let it sit covered for an additional 5 minutes. Fluff the quinoa with a fork before serving. Step 2. Prepare the vegetables while the quinoa is cooking. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté for about 3-4 minutes until translucent. Stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger if using, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Step 3. Stir-fry the veggies. Add the diced bell pepper, broccoli florets, snap peas, carrot slices, and mushrooms to the skillet. Stir-fry the vegetables for about 5-7 minutes, or until they are tender but still crisp. You want to keep the vibrant colors and nutrients intact. Pour in the low-sodium soy sauce, stirring to combine. Adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Step 4. Combine and serve. Add the cooked quinoa to the vegetable mixture, gently stirring to combine everything evenly. Cook for an additional 2-3 minutes to heat through. Serve hot, garnished with fresh herbs if desired. Nutritional benefits. This quinoa and vegetable stir-fry is a nutritional powerhouse. Quinoa is an excellent source of protein and fiber, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. The variety of vegetables included provides essential vitamins and minerals. And the healthy fats from olive oil contribute to heart health. Customization tips. Feel free to customize this recipe based on your preferences and what you have available. Protein options: add grilled chicken, tofu, or shrimp for an extra protein boost. Vegetable variations: substitute or add other vegetables like zucchini, spinach, or kale, depending on the season. Flavor enhancements: experiment with spices such as cumin, paprika, or chili flakes for added flavor. Conclusion: this quinoa and vegetable stir-fry is an easy, healthy, and satisfying meal that's perfect for anyone managing diabetes. It's quick to prepare and can be enjoyed for lunch or dinner. With its vibrant colors and delicious taste, it's a dish that everyone will love. Enjoy your cooking.